Secrets of the green iguana. Deep within the tropical forests of Central and South America lives a reptile that has mastered the art of survival. High above the forest floor, resting quietly among branches and leaves, the green iguana watches the world below. At first glance, it appears calm and slow, a silent observer basking under the tropical sun. But behind this peaceful appearance lies a creature filled with remarkable abilities and hidden secrets that have allowed it to survive for millions of years. The green iguana is one of the largest lizards in the Americas. Some individuals can grow more than 6 feet long from head to tail. Much of that length comes from its powerful tail, a muscular extension that plays a crucial role in balance, movement, and defense. When threatened, an iguana can swing its tail with surprising speed. A single whip of this tail can deter many predators, making it an important weapon for survival. Running down the iguana's back is a row of sharp spines that give it a prehistoric appearance. These spines make the animal look larger and more intimidating to predators that might be considering an attack. But size and appearance are only part of the iguana's survival strategy. Green iguanas are exceptional climbers. Their long claws allow them to grip tree bark firmly, while their powerful limbs help them move with surprising agility through the forest canopy. Most of their lives are spent high in the trees, far above many of the dangers found on the forest floor. From these elevated positions, the iguana gains a clear view of its surroundings, always watching for signs of danger. But even in the treetops, predators still exist. Birds of prey such as hawks and eagles constantly search for reptiles like iguanas. To survive, the iguana relies on quick reflexes and an unusual biological feature, a small sensory organ on the top of its head known as the parietal eye. Often called the third eye, this light-sensitive organ cannot see images, but it can detect sudden changes in light and shadow. If a predator flies overhead, the iguana senses the movement instantly and reacts within seconds. Sometimes the escape is dramatic. When danger approaches, a green iguana may leap from a tree branch high above the ground. For most animals, such a fall would be dangerous, but the iguana's strong body and long tail help absorb the impact. Often the leap is not random. Many iguanas live near rivers or lakes, and their escape route leads straight into the water below. Once in the water, the green iguana reveals another hidden skill. Despite its reptilian appearance, it is an excellent swimmer. With powerful strokes of its tail, the iguana moves quickly through the water, disappearing from predators that cannot follow. Life in the forest is not only about avoiding danger. Finding food is equally important. Unlike many reptiles that hunt other animals, green iguanas follow a mostly vegetarian diet. They feed on leaves, flowers, fruits, and tender plant shoots found throughout the forest canopy. This diet may seem simple, but it plays an important ecological role. As iguanas move through the forest, eating fruits and vegetation, they help spread seeds across large areas. In this way, they quietly contribute to the growth and regeneration of tropical forests. But perhaps one of the most fascinating secrets of the green iguana lies beneath the ground. During the breeding season, female iguanas search for the perfect location to create a nest. Using their powerful claws, they dig deep tunnels into the soil. These burrows can reach several feet underground. At the end of the tunnel, the female creates a protected chamber where she lays her eggs. Once the eggs are buried safely in warm soil, nature takes over. The natural heat of the ground slowly incubates the developing embryos. Weeks later, a new generation of iguanas begins to emerge. For the tiny hatchlings, life begins with immediate challenges. Predators are everywhere, and survival depends on instinct, speed, and luck. The young iguanas quickly climb trees where they will spend most of their lives, continuing the cycle of survival that has existed for millions of years. From the treetops to the rivers below, the green iguana is a master of adaptation. Its powerful tail, climbing ability, swimming skills, and unique senses make it one of the most resilient reptiles in the tropical world. These animals may appear quiet and slow, but their lives are filled with constant challenges and extraordinary strategies for survival. The story of the green iguana reminds us that nature is far more complex than it first appears. Sometimes, the most fascinating secrets belong to creatures that simply sit silently in the sun, waiting, watching, and surviving in a world shaped by evolution. And high in the branches of the rainforest, the green iguana continues its ancient journey, perfectly adapted to the wild world it calls home.